The most unforgettable place I have visited was Otavalo. There I knew some good people. They was very hospitable and they bring us to a different place. In the first evening we just went to a coffee bar and then we went to watch a movie. At the next day we visited the famous Ponchos market. Wow, was really fantastic. There was a lot of really interesting things like handicrafts, clothes, full color scarves, jewelry of all the material kinds. We visit some restaurants of typical food too. We find a lot of delicious food and we ate fritada and chicha and cooked potatoes. Then we made a trip to the famous lake called Quicocha. Its lake was really big and it had a years of history. Quicocha is a 3 kilometers wide caldera and crater lake at the foot of Cotacachi volcano in the Cordillera Occidental of the Ecuadorian Andes. Its name comes from the Quechua indigenous language and means Lago del Cuy or Guinea Pig Laguna in English. It was given this name due to the guinea pig shape of the largest island in the middle of the lake. The caldera was created by a massive eruption about 3,100 years ago. They generated about 5 cubic kilometers of pyroclastic flow and covered the surrounding area in volcanic ash to 20 centimeters deep. We walked for a large way. We found some foreigners and we had a good conversations with them. Although we went to our destiny, the higher part of the mountain, since we can see hardly the entire lake. Being there was entertaining. We related with the nature, saw very nice flowers, birds, big rocks, and interesting forms of insects. When we have arrived to the higher part of the mountain, we had a beautiful panoramic view. We feel so relaxed and grateful with God because He has made some gorgeous creation. Then we went to the Peguche Cascade. There was a cascade there, but first to arrive there we have to walk for a footpath that had a little stream near and had a little wall of rocks. I liked it so much. This place was really fantastic. I will never forget it and I hope to come back soon.